Hey everyone, in today's video tutorial I'm gonna take a tour with sensor PCA9536. To have a better idea for this sensor, let's go to controleverything.com and search for this sensor. So PCA9536 is a digital 4-channel input-output controller. It's an I2C Mini Module. I will be interfacing it with a Raspberry Pi and a Java code. For the Java code, go to resource tab and here is our Java code. Click on this Java code sample and you will be able to download it from here. You can download this Java code from our GitHub repository, Control Everything community also. Now let's have a look over the hardware, the connections, and let's proceed further. Now coming to the hardware sections first, let's have a look over the requirements. So first of all, we require a Raspberry Pi, which you are able to see on my screen, and this is an I2C sheet. It's available on our website controleverything.com, and the reason why we use this is to make connections with other I2C devices rather easy. So make this connection and gently push the GPIO pins and the I2C shield like this. Now we require our sensor, that is PCA9536. To make a connection, we require a connecting cable. Connect the connecting cable and the sensor like this, and while making this connection, make sure that the brown wire of the cable should be connected to the ground terminal of the sensor, and same has to be followed for the I2C shield. Now this is a micro USB cable. It is used to power up our Raspberry Pi. Gently put it over the power jack here. Now this is an Ethernet cable or LAN cable. It is used for making an internet connection. So gently put it over the Ethernet jack. In case if you don't have any Ethernet cable or a LAN cable, you can use a Wi-Fi module just like this for the internet connection. So we are done with our hardware connections part. Let's proceed further. For the interfacing with the sensor, we need a Java code. For that, go to github.com and here search for Control Everything community, as you can see on my screen. Click on this and here type in PCA9536 and here is our sensor. This is our required Java code. One important instruction is that we have used Pi4j library on our Raspberry Pi for the code, and this link provides the instruction to install this. So please do it before moving to the code. This command compiles our code and this command runs our code. Please note it down. Going to the Java code, the Java code has .java extension. First of all, we have imported some of the Pi4j libraries required for our code and created a class named PCA9536. 0x41 is the address of our sensor PCA9536. Coming to the writing part, we have selected configuration register having address 0x03 and send the data for all pins configured as inputs for 0xFF. This is the right command for that. And then we have output on the screen which says that all pin states are high. After that, we have read a single byte of data from 0x00. Next, we have our conversion part, which is according to the data sheet of PCA9536. At the end of the code, we have our result, which clearly prints the state for our channel, whether it's a low or it's a high. So this is how our code works. Now let's have a look how this code works with our sensor. For the working part, first of all, copy this entire Java code and go to the terminal. Here create a new file with .java extension, as you can see on my screen. Paste this entire code and save it. Now for the compilation, this is the command as you can see on my screen, and the code is being compiled. Now to run the code, this is the command. As you can see, all the pins in the states are high. Now when I'm pressing the command and running again, as you can see, all the pins are again high. Now when I'm pressing the first channel to the ground, it says that the state is low and all the others are high. So this is how our code works. Now let's proceed further. We have just seen the working of sensor PCA9536. PCA9536 is an 8-pin CMOS device that provides 4 bits of general purpose parallel input-output expansion for I2C-bus, SMBus applications, and was developed to enhance input-output expanders. So they are needed for ACPI power switches, LEDs, fans, and many more. PCA9536 is available on our website controleverything.com, and the Java code is available on the same site. You can also have this code from our GitHub repository Control Everything community. For further queries, you can reach us on controleverything.com and feel free to post or comment on our community page. For blogs, for articles that are relevant to these, check us on hexter.io and also on Instructables. For more videos, tutorials like these, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And in the end, you have a good day and thanks for watching.